Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to post a picture to your story on Facebook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on this home button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Click on create story at the top, and then you should see this camera roll section where you can search from these pictures from your library. Click on the relevant one that you would like to post, and when you are done you can or you can add the stickers, GIFs, emojis. You have the chance to add the text, so you can start typing it in. Here you can change the font, the color, you can add the background, you can position it within the screen. You can also apply filters. If you tap on this button, you can also add the drawings. Click on the done button. Here you have other filter options, and you can also tag people to your story. When you are done, you can also set the privacy by clicking on the privacy button, and you can select who can see your story, and when you are done, tap on the share button and it will be shared to your story, as you can see it here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.